Okay, gutters. Gutters have a slope from the center of where, wherever the gutter is, and it slopes downward uh, to the end where the downspout is. Uh, Typically, yeah, a 1 inch and 20. Uh, you know, they try to get it installed correctly. It's not always done right, but they try. There's several styles available and several materials available. Okay, and the material that you use, most houses are going to be aluminum. That's the way just most houses are made with aluminum gutters. Commercially, sky's the limit. You can get copper, you can get vinyl, plastic, you can get aluminum, you can get galvanized, you can even get wood gutters. Okay, if that's your thing. Uh, okay, sizes and types. What's called the OG is the most popular residential gutter. You go down to Home Depot, this is what you're going to find, unless you're getting a vinyl gutter, in which that case it's going to be not square, but not half round either. So it'd be kind of in between that. But these others here are more commercial in nature. Most houses you're going to see an OG type gutter because it looks like a piece of finished trim. Okay, the roof sheathing or decking, as it's often called, goes on top of the rafters or the trusses. Typically, it's half-inch thick. Most times around here, you're going to see OSB used for roof sheathing, mainly because it's cheaper than plywood. And for a roof decking or sheathing operation, it works, just fine. Okay, rafters. Rafters maybe 16 on center. That all depends on your charts. It could be 24 inches on center. It could be 12 inches on center. Okay, but you need to know sheathing is what goes on top of the rafters, and in the roofing material goes on top of the sheathing. Now, asphalt shingles is the most popular that you're going to see in residential, and it comes by weight and type. The most common is what's known as a three-tab shingle. The shingle itself is like 36 inches long, and then it'll be one piece, and then there'll be tabs that are cut into it that are approximately 12 inches long a piece. Okay, so that gives you the look, and then when you install them, they have to overlap each other. All right, and then there's architectural type shingles that look like shakes, and they have other styles and colors and everything like that. The most common weight is 235 pounds per square. A square of shingles is 100 square feet. Okay, that's kind of the normal weight. The architectural shingles are heavier, 250 pounds, 260, something like that. Um, Square. Okay. When you buy them, you buy them a bundle. A bundle of shingles is like 1/3 of a square usually. It will cover 33 square feet roughly. Um, but roofing contracts, everything's based on squares. Okay. Um, and there's a layer of building felt that is applied over the roof decking before you nail the shingles down. And 15-pound felt is the norm. What that means is that 100 square feet of it weighs 15 pounds. Okay. All right. So here's an example of some of the, you've seen asphalt shingles. Okay. No big deal. The laminates are what I refer to as the architectural shingles. They have a different appearance to it. They look three-dimensional, things like that. And then there's other roofing types too. There's metal roofing, which is not the barn type, you know, galvanized roof, but is a Galvalume paint. Okay, so it's a thicker metal. There's different methods of installing it and going together, but it's very resistant to winds and hail and things like that. Um, so it's a good roofing material. It's expensive, a lot more expensive than asphalt shingles, but it is a good roofing material. And then there's the tile, like clay tiles that for the Spanish look. There's slate roofs and fake slate roofs, which are concrete panels. Um, and there's a variety of different roofing materials that are out there. Okay, that wraps it up.